Beyond the festive decorations, Christmas at Yang Fan is a season of collaborative wonder. Here, a giant gingerbread house isn't just a craft. It's a lesson in teamwork, where every child contributes to a shared dream. We see our students as little visionaries. Whether they are engineering cardboard estates or adding delicate strokes to ceramic keepsakes, they are discovering that patience and focus create lasting beauty. Even a simple snack becomes an exercise in critical thinking. By debating the merits of cocoa versus cookie, our children learn to express their opinions with confidence and appreciate the diversity of their peers' tastes. Story time serves as our gateway to empathy. Through the whimsical world of Dr. Seuss, our literary detectives explore more than just words. They discover the transformative power of kindness and how a caring heart can grow 3 sizes. We believe in sensory-rich learning. Every frosted cone and molded piece of clay is a milestone in fine motor mastery, proving that when education is hands-on, creativity knows no bounds. At Yang Fan Preschool, we don't just teach lessons, we cultivate joy. Because we know that when a child's heart is full, their potential to learn is limitless.